Today I'm going to go ahead and share some mystery shopping companies that you can find near your area and also the jobs available on their website that you can start doing today. If you are interested, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Financial Game, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I share opportunities to make money online from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And today we're going to go ahead and talk about the SASSIESHOP website. This is the homepage. I have previously talked about this website on a previous video, but I wanted to come back and address all of the opportunities that are available on this website. I didn't really go completely in depth into this website, and but I wanted to come back to it and do this video today. So we're gonna go ahead and so I will be leaving this exact link that I have right here, up here in the description below this video, so you can scroll down and tap or click on it and you'll be directed to this page. And once you come to this page right here, it says Sassy does not manage mystery shop programs, so you can't sign up with Sassy directly to become a Sassy mystery shopper. However, you can register with one or more of the 150 mystery shopping companies that use Sassy, while confidentiality agreements prohibit us from listing all of these companies. You can find them by going to PrestoMap.com or Job Slinger. So these are the two sites that we're gonna go ahead and take a look at, because all of the mystery shopping companies are listed in both of these websites. Okay, so I want to go ahead and take a look at this one actually, because this is the one that I didn't address last time, and then we're gonna go back and take a look at this website. Okay, so we're currently right here on a Job Slinger, and once you come here, you can create your account up here, or you can log in with your Facebook account. But if you're interested of just kind of take a look at what's available and see if you're actually interested in signing up for this website, you can just type in your zip code or your city or your state up here, and you're going to be able to see the jobs that are available. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in a city near me, and we're going to click here. And as you can see up here, it does show all of the jobs that are available. Now, I don't know if there's something going on with this site, because it kind of has like a weird layout to it. Let me go ahead and go to the second page. Okay, I think it's just like a technical problem that they're having. But if you can tell, this page for jobs goes on and on and on all the way till like number 33. So and if you can see, they have I guess they list the jobs by the payout rate, because on page number 1 the jobs started at $10, and it seems like it would just like keep on going up, and then until you get to the highest amount, which is $40 that you can do for apartment payment. I think you would do like an apartment, like I think like a survey or something. So when I try to click on it, it doesn't let me get any more details, because I have to create an account. And since I'm not going to be using this personally, there's no point for me to create an account. But I did wanted to show you kind of like a little bit of the process as to how you can find these companies that are doing mystery shopping jobs. And it even tells you here how old the jobs are. And they do have a lot of them. I mean, they go on and on until like page number 33. So you can come here and see what is it like, if you're interested in any of these convenient. They have convenience store shops, and the other one, the first, this one is for tobacco compliance, and they also have some for alcohol compliance and stuff. So if you're interested, you can come and search and find whatever is available in your area. So that's the first site. Okay, that's the first link. I mean, that's the first site that I wanted to take a look at, which is this one right here. Okay, the Job Slinger. Let me go ahead and type in the city again, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the second link right here, the one that's called Presto Map. Now I'm gonna say I do see some similarities on the jobs available, and I don't know if it's like the same thing, but it's just being promoted on different sites. I don't really know, but I do see some similarities on the jobs that are available on this first site and then this one as well. But you can come and check it out if you're interested. You can apply for any of these sites and then try to apply for any of the jobs that they have available. And let me know in the comment section below, have you done any mystery shopping before, or you're just curious, or you're just interested in learning a little bit more about it, or do you have any experience actually doing mystery shopping or secret shopping, whatever, however you want to call it. I personally don't have any experience doing mystery shopping, but it seems like something really interesting to me. And here in this other website, they don't really have the jobs listed by the amount that you can get paid. You can actually see this one. There's like, these ones are like for $12, and this one is for $30, and then it goes on. There's actually one that I wanted to show you that I think it's pretty good. This one, it's a $60 for a credit card application at Target. And this particular job, you don't really have to go to the store to do this. You can do this online or on your phone. It says right here, please do not make a special trip to the store just to apply for the credit card. It should be done only if you are already planning to visit the store, or you can apply online at Target via a mobile device. No store visit is required for this method online application, so they don't require you to actually go to the store. All you can actually do is just apply, and just make sure that you do have the you do meet the restrictions for the job. And but yeah, this is something that you can do from your house. You don't have to leave your house. You can just do this online or via phone, and they do provide you more information here as to what you have to do in regards if you qualify or if you don't qualify for the credit card. But yeah, I wanted to show that specific job to you, and they actually have many of those. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. Here's this other one right here too, is for a credit card application at Target as well. And let me see, there's another one for banking, and I like the banking one because you have to act like an investor that wants to like deposit like a big amount of money or something like that. It would seem pretty interesting. And here's another one for Target. If you notice, these are different. Even though they are from Target, it's actually for different stores. So you can actually do multiple if you want to. There's another one for banking, and so on and so forth. But this is just like the area, close to the area where I'm located. And yeah, if you're interested, you can come and check this out. And this is how you can find the mystery shopping companies that are available here. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and leave this specific link right here. And remember, you will have to go here or either here, one of two. You have to go to either one of these links right here to be directed here, and also you're gonna have to allow them to your location so they can find jobs that are near you. And yeah, so if you're interested, come and check this out. And also, I'm going to go ahead and leave another playlist right here for other mystery shopping websites that I have done before. So if you're interested, go ahead and check those out. I'm going to go ahead and also leave the freelance opportunities. So if you are interested in doing any freelance jobs from home, you can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and help us get to our 1,000 subscribers. And that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.